Hey guys, today I will show you how to use Delta Executor in Grow a Garden. So, first download and install the Delta Executor. Find the latest Delta Executor APK from the trusted source. On Android, enable unknown sources, then install the APK. After you do this, open the app and allow requested permissions like storage, overlay, etc. The interface is clean. Toolbar, a script loader, and a help guide included. Now, in Delta, tap the load script and browse to .lua script file you have downloaded. Now, for Grow a Garden, popular scripts auto plant seeds, harvest, and collect game coins. Now, simply start Grow a Garden in Roblox. With the game running, return to Delta and tap Execute. The script will inject into the game. Now, common scripts can auto plant seeds when ground is free, auto harvest mature crops, and collect currency and speed up garden tasks. Many scripts offer toggles. Just tap to enable the features you want. So, with Delta Executor, you can automate planting, harvesting, and collection tasks in Grow a Garden. Just install the APK, load a trusted script, then inject it into the game, and toggle on any features you want. And you must use it responsibly. Happy gardening!